Welcome to the Wealth Beyond Just Money podcast with Rebecca Hayes. All right, today I'm going to be giving you some tough love, and it's going to be exactly what some of you need to hear, and that's what I'm here for. So, it's a really simple statement, but it's going to really resonate and hopefully give you that little extra push you need to do what you want to do next. And that is this: if you don't want what you currently have, then you have to do something differently. I'm going to say it again. If you don't want the life you currently have, the career you currently have, the car, the house, the money situation that you currently have, you're going to have to do something differently. All right, let's unpack that a little further. Now, why do I say you're going to have to do something differently? Well, if you look at where you're at currently, if you look at your life, if you're feeling frustrated or stuck or bored in any one facet, right? And any of the 7 tenets that we have here at Wealth Beyond Just Money. And if you don't know what those are, I'll link to the video below on our 7 tenets of wealth here at Wealth Beyond Just Money. But if you look at any of the tenets and you're feeling stuck or bored, then it's time to take an honest look at what you're doing and acknowledge that in order to change things, in order to move away from feeling stuck or bored or frustrated, we're going to have to do something differently. Now, what you do could be big or small. You could just change when you get to work, or you could change when you get home from work, or you could change how you look at your money, or whatever your frustration point is. You could do something so small and simple that changes things for you. Or if it's something bigger and requires a bigger response, that's okay too. You can take the time to build out that new path, that new plan, that new structure that's going to support the new you, the new aspect of that tenet that you have. But what you can't do is stay the same. You cannot continue doing what you are doing now and expect anything to get better. It's just not how it works. No change will get you nowhere, but a small change could get you anywhere. All right? So we're going to keep it short and sweet today, because I think that that's a big enough thought on its own, and it'll be jarring enough for some of us to give us the push to get in the right direction. And again, when I say right direction, I do mean the right direction for you and no one else. But take the time today to examine where you're at and why you're frustrated, and then chart your path forward. All right, until next time, keep building your wealth beyond just money.